guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In my last video, which was that of yesterday for mobile strategy, we discussed about mobile strategy for trading boom and crash within the trend, how you can make money within the mobile platform trading boom and crash within the trend. Okay, it is a trend trading strategy, but we need to do it on the mobile platform. Okay, so we had to give us some explanation of how we can go about this on the mobile platform, and I promised us that today we'll be looking at how we can trade the spikes within the trend even on mobile platform. Okay, because yesterday we focused more on the normal trend, but in this video we'll be focusing on the spiky part of it, which is also going to be very interesting. Okay, so all you just need to do to get the full gist about it is to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, but in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like you guys have known, I believe you already know the setup which I'm using on the PC. I mean on the main chart I showed you guys yesterday, so you can watch my last video to check out the setup on the main chart so that you will understand how to go about it. But first, before you can trade the spiky part of boom and crash, you need to know when to go into the market or when to look out for the spikes within the market. Okay, number one, for boom, you don't go for spike trading when the market is on downtrend. Okay, for crash, you don't go for spike trading when the market is on uptrend. These are very important. Okay, because you can have an open order for a very long time if you do. Okay, and which can also burn out your trading capital. So I don't want you to lose your money. I want you to make a lot of profit with this. So when should you go for spike? Okay, for boom, it should be when the market is on uptrend, while for crash, when the market is on downtrend. Okay, that is when you go for it. Okay, so where can you spot out the spikes for boom and crash? All these are very important. Most of you don't know this. That is why you have not been making profits with this. Okay, for boom, okay, the spikes usually happen around the support zone, while for crash the spikes usually happen around the resistance zone. So with all this being known, it shows that you need to be able to combine everything together. You need to know the right trend to trade each of them, and of course the exact place, either resistance zone or the support zone that they are most likely to occur. Okay, so once you know them for each of them, then you will be able to trade these assets successfully. Okay, you will be able to trade them successfully. So let's see how it works out, guys. So this is how it works. This is boom 1000, and like I said earlier on, you only trade the spikes when the market is on uptrend. As you can see around there, the market has got into a major support region, and of course it is trying to go up into a full uptrend. And if you should check it out, that was when it crossed above the moving average 50. You can see 55, the moving average 55. That was when it crossed above it, and like I have explained to you, once it has caught above it, that means the general trend for that particular asset is on uptrend at that particular point. So which means at this stage you will be experiencing more of spikes than than the other trend, than the bearish candle, okay, most especially around the support zone, because we are trading boom, okay. So you can see how you can always place your order around here, around, sorry, you can always place your order around here. So you can see it spiked up, and here too you can see right here it's also spiked up, and it's also spiked up around here. So you can see, so right from there you can have some multiple orders being placed. So let's say you decide to place your order around there, and check it out, it kept on spiking and spiking. You can be in the market for a very long time. And another beautiful thing I would like to let you know is that if you are going to trade spike trading, I will advise you to start from 5 minute time frame, because it makes it very easy, and you won't be in you won't be left out for a very long time. You won't be hanging in the market for a very long time, okay. So that is very, very important. So let's see more, so that I'm trying to reduce the size, I mean the zoom, so that you get to see it properly, okay. So let's try and check it more, check it out more. You can see right here, when the market was on downtrend, you can see that we have lesser amount of spikes happening around there. That those are the periods where the markets were below the moving average 55, okay. So we have lesser amount of spikes around there. So it is always important to know when to go for the spikes and when to stay away from it, okay. Let's check out other assets also. I'm going to go to crash 500. Crash, for crash, you should know that the spikes will happen more when the market is on downtrend, and you can see this is when they went below, the moving averages, and you can see the series of spikes that happen around here. So it is always important you know this, okay. So here is another one, you can see it right here. They went below it right here, and you can see this series of spikes that happen around here. So you will always experience all this when you are in the right trend for them, okay. So this is when the candles were being created below the moving averages, and you can see spikes, series of spikes happening, guys. You can see series of spikes happening around here till it got to this region, guys, till it got to this region. That is when it got to a major support zone. If you see the markets fighting each other for a very long time around at a spot, then you should know that something is about to happen. It is either there will be a breakout in action, or probably there will be a total reversal in price action. So these are very, very important, so that you will know what to expect at that particular point, okay. So you can see that your trend is always very, very important. You should know the right trend to trade it, to trade the spikes on each of these assets, okay. For boom, it is when the market is on uptrend, while for crash, when the market is on downtrend, then you should know where to look out for the spikes. For boom, it is around the support zone. For crash, it is around the resistance zone. So all these are very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Kindly take your time to understand every part of these videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account, okay. And of course, if you are looking out for the setup, you can go and watch my last video on mobile setup, and you will see the setup right there, because I display the setup in the video, okay. So if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.